Okay, we've washed the biodiesel with acid water, dilute acid for 5 minutes now. So we're going to change the arc configuration and start washing it with fresh water. The top up there. Hand it over to Paul. Slowly filling up the tank. You should see the level coming up on the side tube here. We want to get it up no more than that level there. Ideally balancing around this cable tie here. The way we balance it is by removing the wastewater from the bottom there and sending it down the drain. It's important not to try and raise the liquid any higher here, because it'll get too close to the spray nozzle, and then the spraying action on the top of the biodiesel fluid will cause a mixing and possibly even an emulsion. Another really good idea is to collect the wastewater in a tank or IBC before it goes down the drain, just in case you have somebody makes an error and opens up the bottom valve too far, releasing biodiesel. That way there's an intermediary tank in between the machine and the drain pipe. Much less chance of actually losing the valuable product. So once this is got up to here, we can then start opening the bottom valve and balancing the flow that comes in with the flow that goes out. And we'll do that for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then the biodiesel is then ready to be pumped across to this tank for the final process, which is the drying. We're at the end of the washing stage now, and what Paul's done is set this system up so that you can use this pump here to pump the wastewater into the IBC over there before it goes into the drain, so that avoids any accidental biodiesel loss. So I'm going to hand over to Paul to stop the washing process and drain the wastewater, and then pump the wet biodiesel from there into the drying tank to start the drying process. Over to you. finally, we're going to empty the biodiesel that's in this tank into the dryer, and there's a little bit of residual water in there, and that doesn't matter as long as the water does not go through the pump. We open valves here to allow fluid from here just to go through by gravity to start with. The pump can create an emulsifying effect with the biodiesel in the water because of the pumping action. It's not as bad as a centrifugal pump, but even so, diaphragm pump can still churn things up. So just to start off with, if you can open those valves, that will allow contents of that and go into here, just until all the, you can open it right up, just until all the water's gone through.
Shut the water and switch it on.
Yeah. Looks like it. So we're on biodiesel now in that pump. So we can now use the pump to finish the whole process off. The process of emptying that tank into this one.
Yeah.